Russia's most advanced stealth fighter jet, the Su-75, also known as Checkmate, has become the center of attention for aviation enthusiasts, defense analysts, and military experts around the world. The Russian defense industry, especially the Sukhoi Design Bureau, has developed this aircraft not only to meet the requirements of the fifth generation, but also with the aim of providing an affordable yet lethal alternative that can challenge the monopoly of Western powers like the F-35. The Su-75 began as a covert project, backed by the Russian government and the United Aircraft Corporation, or UAC. After the expensive and complex experience of the Su-57 program, Russia started searching for a more affordable and reliable alternative that would also be suitable for export. The Checkmate project was actually the result of this very idea. In 2021, Russian officials unveiled the model of this aircraft for the first time at the Moscow Aviation Show, where its appearance, modern features, and stealth capabilities amazed the audience. The design of the Su-75 is completely modern and meets all stealth requirements. It uses a single engine, which makes it cost-effective yet outstanding in terms of performance. Its structure is sculpted at sharp angles to minimize its reflection on radar. Integrated avionics, an artificial intelligence-based control system, and the latest weapon systems are part of this aircraft. Its cockpit is fully equipped with digital glass displays, providing the pilot with complete situational awareness. The biggest advantage of the Su-75 is its price, and Russia has specifically developed it for export. That is, it has been prepared for export so that countries that cannot afford expensive Western aircraft can get this affordable yet advanced alternative. Its price is estimated to be between $25 and $30 million, which is several times less than the F-35 or Rafale. This aircraft can be equipped with various types of weapons, including our 77 missiles, KH-59MK, and different kinds of bombs. Weapons are stored in its internal weapon bay so that its stealth features are not compromised. The Su-75 has a speed of about 1.8 Mach, and its operational range is said to be over 3,000 kilometers. Its weapon load is around 7,400 kilograms, and it has the capability to target ground, air, and naval targets. Its radar is based on technology that allows it to identify and track multiple targets simultaneously. The engine used in the Su-75 is Russia's new fighter jet engine, the Izdalai-30, which will also be used in the Su-57 in the future. This engine not only provides more power, but also has the capability to cover longer distances while consuming less fuel. The Su-75 is also equipped with artificial intelligence that enables it to identify enemy aircraft, select weapons, and make decisions according to the combat situation. This feature sets it apart from other aircraft in its class. Potential buyers of the Su-75 include the United Arab Emirates, Vietnam, India, Argentina, and other countries that are looking for affordable yet modern fighter jets. If Russia manages to complete and bring it into production on time, it could bring about a major shift in the global defense market. The engine of the Checkmate is its heart, and Russia has based its power on the AL-41F1 or, in the future, the expected Izdalai-30 stealth engines. The AL-41F1 engine is an afterburning turbofan engine, which is also used in the Su-35 and Su-57. This engine can provide up to approximately 33,000 pounds of thrust and has the capability of supercruise, meaning it can fly faster than the speed of sound even without the afterburner. In comparison, if the Checkmate is equipped with the Izdalai-30 engine in the future, this aircraft will be able to effectively compete with Western jets like the F-22 and F-35, because this engine will further enhance its stealth capabilities due to a better thrust-to-weight ratio, lower fuel consumption, and reduced thermal signature. If we look in detail at this aircraft's stealth, meaning its ability to evade radar, we can see that Russia has given this jet a low observable design similar to that of the F-35. But unlike the American aircraft, in the Checkmate, stealth is not just limited to its outer shape. It also includes internal metallic composite materials, air intakes designed at specific angles, and internal weapon bays. The shape of its body resembles a triangular delta, and its tail consists of a single vertical stabilizer, which provides a lower cross-section. Its cockpit canopy is also designed to have a reduced radar signature. Although Russian sources do not disclose the full radar cross-section, or RCS, According to unofficial estimates, its RCS could be less than 0.01 square meters, which is considered to be close to that of the F-35. It is equipped with a radar that could be a lighter version of the Su-57's Belka radar. This radar has the capability to track more than 30 targets simultaneously and engage several of them at the same time, whether in an electronic warfare environment or under intense jamming from the enemy. In addition, the advanced optoelectronic system called OLS-75 gives it the ability to detect targets both on the ground and in the air. The Checkmate is also equipped with an infrared search and track (IRST) system, which can locate enemy aircraft by their thermal signature without emitting any active signals. A priceless capability in stealth warfare. The aircraft is also equipped with a highly advanced electronic warfare system, which includes radar jammers, a missile approach warning system, a laser warning system, and chaff and flare dispensers. These systems are essential for deceiving enemy missiles and radars, and they greatly increase the aircraft's chances of survival. Now, if we look at the Checkmate's weapons, this aircraft can carry weapons on both internal and external hardpoints, but during stealth flight, only the internal weapon bays are used. It can be equipped with air-to-air missiles such as the R-77M active radar-guided missile, the R-73 infrared homing missile, and future missiles like the K-77 meter. For ground attacks, it can carry cruise missiles like the KH-38M and KH-59 Mk2, as well as various guided bombs such as the KAB-250 and KAB-500. According to Russia, the operating cost of the Checkmate will be around $6,000 per hour, which is incredibly low compared to the F-35's $10,000 per hour. The reason for this is Russia's indigenous manufacturing, self-sufficiency, and modular design, which make repairs and servicing easier and more cost-effective. This is why the Checkmate is called affordable stealth, and Russia also plans to turn it into a complete family like its Su-57, which could include a two-seat trainer or strike variant, an unmanned UAV version, and even a naval version. This aircraft will play an important role not only in the field of defense but also in the geopolitical landscape. It will challenge the arms market of the US and its allies, where Russia wants to maintain its presence in the global defense market despite its severe economic and technical difficulties. The Checkmate is not just an aircraft, but a declaration of Russia's military independence, and this declaration is being heard around the world. According to Western defense analysts, if the Checkmate is completed on time, it could make it onto the list of at least 20 countries that are looking for affordable and reliable stealth fighter jets. But at the same time, Russia faces no shortage of challenges, including the availability of advanced composite materials, engine production, avionics, microelectronics, and economic sanctions. To successfully launch this aircraft globally, Russia will have to move its current capabilities toward technical self-reliance. When we talk about the possible future upgrades of the Checkmate, it's clear that Russia sees it as a platform that can maintain its utility for decades to come. In the future, features like an artificial intelligence-based combat assist system, pilot helmet-mounted targeting systems, laser weapons, and electronic warfare pods could be added to it. Additionally, if Russia integrates it as loyal wingman drones, it could become a complete next-generation aerial ecosystem. Friends, the creator of this aircraft, Sergei Kartukov, who is the chief designer and deputy director at UEC, has announced that Checkmate has now reached a stage in its development where it can be looked at with hope. A hope that could perhaps become a way out for many countries around the world from the Western monopoly of aircraft like the F-35. Russian experts have used supercomputers in its design so that, unlike older aircraft, they don't have to conduct repeated tests. Every pose, every angle, and every system was first tested digitally, and then the prototype was built based on that. But behind every success, there is a mountain of challenges. Checkmate's first flight, which was expected in 2023, was postponed several times. Due to the Ukraine war, pressure increased on Russia's military industry, financial resources became limited, and international sanctions became even stricter. Even so, Moscow's military minds were not the type to give up. They knew that if this project succeeded, Russia would not only modernize its own air power, but also challenge the F-35's dominance in the global market. Now that this aircraft has entered its final stages of preparation, Russia has expressed hope that its first flight will be possible by the end of 2025 and serial production will begin in 2026. It has been a long journey, with global politics, economic shocks, and military competition present at every step. But Russia is confident that if the Checkmate 75 takes to the skies of the world, it will not just be an aircraft, but a global statement, a challenge, and a message. Friends, let me also mention here that recently, Russia has offered Belarus a partnership in its most advanced stealth fighter jet project, the Sukhoi 75 Checkmate. This offer has been made by Russian officials to make Belarus a financial and technical partner in the project, in order to further strengthen defense cooperation between the two countries. The offer to include Belarus in this project is part of Russia's effort to secure financial support and technical collaboration for the Sukhoi 75. With Belarus's participation, not only could the project gain the necessary resources, but cooperation in the defense industry between the two countries could also increase. It remains to be seen how Belarus will respond to this offer. If Belarus decides to partner in this project, it could reshape defense cooperation between the two countries and have a positive impact on the future of the Checkmate 75. That's all for now. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you with a new and interesting video.